Hey y'all, it's Brad Allen with the Art of Real Estate. There's three things I want to share with you about this economy that honestly you need to be taking advantage of. I'm not sure if you have a trusted advisor out there, but I'd like to share a couple things that I've noticed. One, interest rates are incredibly low. That's no surprise to anybody. It's all over the news. But how can you take advantage of this? How can this affect you if you do or don't own a house? The ways it can affect you if you don't own a house is they're historically low, like one of the lowest rates possible. And I know you hear that from every single agent out there, but what it does is it allows you to save tens of thousands of dollars on your next home purchase, thus making renting far more expensive than owning a house right now. But if you own a house, there's a couple of options. One, if you love your house and you love where you are, stay there. Refinance. The money's stupid cheap right now. Lenders are just gobbling up refinances right now. You can really take advantage. And honestly, I've seen people shave 10 years off their mortgage and not make $1 more in payment for doing nothing and not costing anything. Everybody's different, but I highly suggest you talk with a lender. If you need some, we've got some great friends in the industry that can really give you an unbiased approach. The other thing I'd honestly encourage you to do, if you've ever said to yourself, I'm gonna buy my next house or my bigger house or my X house in the next recession, now might be the time. I'm not saying we're in a recession. What I'm saying is there is a perfect storm out there with low interest rates, housing affordability, low inventory. So if you've got a house to sell, it can probably sell quick. And I wanna tell you a quick story real quick. We've got a client the other day. They called us out. They said, hey, I got a house, I want to sell it, and I think I have a house picked out where I want to go, I'm not real sure. Anyways, the point of the story is they thought their house was around $275. It actually is going to be worth around $315, $325. They're going to be walking away with somewhere in the neighborhood of $120,000 to $140,000. They're going to go down the street, buy a house for $350, 1,000 square feet bigger, on a lake, with a pool. Their dream house. Interest rates, stupid low. They're gonna be getting it somewhere in the low threes. Thus, they're gonna be doing a lateral move, cashing out $100,000, starting a nest egg for themselves and buying their forever house. They didn't think they could do it. They didn't know they were gonna do it, but with the way that things are going, people just don't know what they have the ability to do. And that's what I need to talk to you about. So if you have any questions or if you want an unbiased approach of what's going on, don't sit on the fence any longer. Call us, let us come out, let us talk to you on the phone, whatever, I don't really care, Instagram us. We can talk about the different aspects that could probably save you tens of thousands of dollars, because in a recession and a downturn, that's when people make money, and guess what we're in. I hope I can talk to you, I hope I can help you, I hope you reach out to us.